Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am going to be trying out another Dollar General makeup product. This is from the brand Believe Beauty, which is the Dollar General exclusive makeup brand that I absolutely love. Everything is under $5 and such amazing quality. I have now tried out a lot of Believe Beauty products on my channel. I did a huge Dollar General makeup haul a while ago at this point, but I can have that video linked in the description down below if you want to see all of the makeup products that I got from Dollar General. But I did pick up a lot of mascaras and I think they are so good. So I'm really excited to try out this mascara, which is the High Drama Fiber Mascara. I picked this up in the shade Intense Black. I saw that it also comes in just a regular black and a brown, which I realized I really like brown mascaras too that I've tried out from Believe Beauty. But this only cost $4.50. It says High Drama Fiber Mascara delivers instant fullness to lashes with a false lash effect, which is what I'm always looking for with mascaras. A customized fiber brush helps to create length, while soft fibers add volume and fullness for a dramatic, show-stopping effect. The luxurious formula gives the false lash look without the messy glue application. So I'm really excited. I hope that this really does add all of that volume and false lash look that I love for my lashes. And I really like the packaging. It matches my background really well. Okay, so let's check out this wand. Oh, nice. It's a smaller, more compact wand with a lot of bristles. Here is what that looks like. I am so excited to see how this is going to work. Okay, so I'm just going to start out with one of my eyes, and I'll build it up on this eye to really compare the difference. Right away I notice that intense black color. I think that is a great color for the lashes to really make them stand out. And this wand is doing a good job of coating all of the lashes with no clumping and still keeping the lashes nice and separated. But it's not adding much volume at all on that first layer. I'm definitely going to build it up, but before I do, I'm going to try this out on the lower lashes. Great wand for the lower lashes. I can get every lash coated, and this dark black color helps my invisible lower lashes show up. All right, let's see what we can do for these top lashes. Okay, yes, it's definitely buildable. Looking more volumized, darker with this second coat. Tap at the ends. With a fiber mascara, I really like to tap at the ends of my lashes to try and stick some of those fibers on to make my lashes look even longer. And still no clumping. The lashes are still staying nice and separated, so looking full. I was kind of expecting more volume at this point after having layered it up this much. And my lashes look good at this point, but I think I can get more. So I am going to layer it up yet again. I do love how buildable it is because it's looking even more volumized, and with this layer I think it's also adding more length, but the lashes are also getting so kind of like thick or sticky-ish that now the lashes are not staying as separated and they're starting to stick together, and at this point is when I try and stop layering it up because then it's just gonna look like I have fewer lashes once they're all sticking together and not staying full. So I think this is probably the best I can get, and it's fine, but not as impressive as I was expecting. A little mascara got on my eyelid, but here I can show you the difference with it versus without it. It's pretty. I mean, for $4.50, it's definitely not a bad mascara, but it's not my favorite Believe Beauty mascara that I've tried out. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye and get my final thoughts on this. So now at this point, I think I have tried out so many makeup products from Dollar General that I could probably do a full face makeup tutorial using only Dollar General makeup products. So let me know in the comments down below if that is a video that you would be interested in seeing, because I think I could do a beautiful full face makeup tutorial and look using just Dollar General makeup, because I think it is such good makeup. Okay, so mascara is applied. Definitely got a little messy on my eyelid on this eye here, but the lashes look good. They look fine. Definitely not as volumized and falsy effect as I typically try and get, but I think this is the best I can get with this mascara. And I mean, my lashes look good. They look longer. I really like this intense black color. Even if this is just a mascara that I throw on top of other mascaras to really darken my lashes, I think that's a use that I'll find for this. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.